Welcome to the world of yoga, where peace, strength, and mindfulness come together. Starting this journey as a beginner can feel overwhelming, but remember that even experts began as novices. Yoga goes beyond physical poses. It is a practice for the mind, body, and spirit. Whether you seek relaxation, flexibility, or inner peace, yoga offers something for everyone. As you start on your mat, let go of expectations and be present. Progress takes time. Each small step forward is a victory. Follow your breath, connect with yourself and the world. Let energy flow, releasing tension and opening up possibilities. Trust the practice and see yourself transform from the inside out. Embrace discovery, your body's strength, and a peaceful mind. Each practice makes you stronger, more mindful, and closer to your true self.